NetSkeme Plus users looking for a convenient way to manage their property settings can define and customize component types. Component types are groupings of properties which can be assigned to different components in the library. Let's start by investigating the component type of a symbol in this drawing. Right-click on the symbol and select Edit Model Data, or double-click on the symbol to open the Property Manager. Here, you can see the component type, a screw-in cartridge check valve. If we open the extended model data, we can see the list of properties that are associated with a screw-in cartridge check valve. This icon tells us whether the property's value will be displayed in the drawing alongside the symbol. Whether a property value is displayed is defined by the component type. If we select Add, we'll see a list of relevant properties, which are also defined by the component type. Let's modify this component type. If we were to make changes to the properties in the Property Manager, that would only change this specific symbol in this specific drawing. Instead, we're going to change the component type so that any future screw-in cartridge check valves we insert into our drawings will show those changes. Select Preferences. Then, navigate to the Property Settings. Select Check Valve from the list of component groups, and then Check Valve Screw-in Cartridge. Right now, this component type is set to NetSkeme defaults. This is the list of all properties associated with this component type. To ensure that a property will be shown in the Property Manager for symbols of this component type, check this box. To ensure that a property's value will be displayed in the drawing alongside the symbol, check this box. To add a property to the component type, select Add, and then select your desired property. Note that newly added properties will be shown in the Property Manager by default. To delete a property from the component type, select the property and click Delete. To change the order of properties as they will be displayed in the Property Manager, select a property, then click the up or down arrow. When you're finished making changes, click Save. To undo all customizations to a component type, click Reset. Please note that any changes you make to a component type will be reflected in NetSkeme supplied data and your custom library. If you have a corporate library, any changes you make will not take effect there. Changes will also not take effect in any symbols that have already been placed in your drawing. Let's take a look at this newly customized component type. Like I mentioned, we won't see any changes in the Property Manager for this symbol in the drawing, but let's take a look at a screw-in cartridge check valve in the NetSkeme supplied library. Navigate to a screw-in cartridge check valve symbol and right-click on it. Open the Property Manager. Now we can observe that the changes we made in property settings are reflected in this Property Manager. In the future, whenever I insert a symbol of this component type into a drawing, that symbol's Property Manager will have these same settings.